Hello everyone, I welcome you all back in our channel, Classes Online. I love English. Today we are going to start our reading revision for grade 7 Access. In this video, we will look through some example and vocabulary that you are going to need for end of term exam. I hope you will enjoy the class, and if you are ready, let's begin. Now, my dear students, let's start our revision by part 1, preparation vocabulary. You should learn these words for the end of term exam. The first word is, look at the photo, the solar system. What do you mean by the solar system? It's the sun and all the planets that move around it. So the sun and all the planets that move around the sun, we call it the solar system. We have 8 planets that move around the sun. The second word is planet. What do you mean by planet? It's a large round thing in space that moves around the sun or another star. Here is a photo of the biggest planet in our solar system, which is Jupiter. So Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. As you can see here, look at its enormous size. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. The third word is a verb, which burn. When I say burn, I mean destroy something with fire or to be destroyed by fire. Here we burn wood, paper, or coal to get fire. Sometimes in the kitchen we have to be careful when we cook. Look at this pizza. Check the pizza. I think it's burning. Now the pizza is about to burn. Part 2, it's a reading comprehension about a solar system, and it's a practice for the end of term exam. This comprehension passage is about the planets of our solar system. First, we have to look quickly at how many paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 3 paragraphs, and we are going to read it quickly to answer some questions on this passage. The solar system is made up of the sun and all the objects that orbit it or are affected by its gravity. This includes asteroids, comets, meteoroids, planets, and moons. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The closest 4 planets to the sun are known as the inner planets. The planets in order from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are rocky planets, which means they have a solid surface. Earth is the only planet known to support life. So paragraph 2 is about the planets, especially the inner planets. Paragraph 1, it's about what we mean by the solar system. The third paragraph, the 4 planets farthest away from the Sun are called the gas giants. This is because of their enormous size and the fact that they are made up largely of different gases. The gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. An asteroid belt separates the inner planets from the outer planets. The Earth has one natural satellite called the Moon, and Mars has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. After we have read quickly the comprehension passage, we have to check the questions. What's the solar system made up of? Here we have to remember in which paragraph can we find the answer of what the solar system made up of, and the keyword here is made up of. Also the solar system, we have read it in paragraph 1, made up of here. So the solar system is made up of the Sun and all the objects that orbit it or are affected by its gravity. We have to stop at the full stop. Here is the answer for question number 1. Let's move to question 2. On the same passage, question 2. How many planets are there in our solar system? You don't need to read paragraph 1 again, because how many planets? The number of planets are not mentioned in paragraph 1. We move to paragraph 2. Here there are 8 planets in our solar system, and we have to stop at the full stop. Here is the answer for question 2, and let's move to our next question. On the same passage, question 3. Why are the inner planets called rocky planets? Again, we have to remind ourselves that the inner planets are mentioned in paragraph 2 here. The inner planets. Now I have to find out the reason, because the question word is why, so the answer must be a reason. Why are the inner planets called rocky planets? The inner planets here, we have to read paragraph 2 carefully. The planets in order. Here are the names of the planets. We keep on reading. They are rocky planets. Yes, they are called rocky planets. But why? Which means they have a solid surface. So they are called the rocky planets because they have a solid surface. And here is our answer for question 3. Now let's move on to question 4. The planets of our solar system. Question 4. What are the gas giants? Now the gas giants are not mentioned in paragraph 2, but they are here in paragraph 3. Here the question word what? The question asks about the names or the names of the gas giants. The gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It is the answer for question 4. Our next question on the same passage. It's a yes/no question. Can we live on Earth and why? Earth is mentioned in paragraph 2. Here, Earth, because Earth is one of the inner planets. Now, the first part of the question is, can we live on Earth? Of course, definitely, we can live on Earth. But why? Why Earth is the only planet that we can live in it? Earth is the only planet known to support life. So we can live on Earth because it is the only planet known to support life. Here we have to answer on two parts of this question. Yes, we can live on Earth. This is the first part, and we have to mention the reason, because Earth is the only planet known to support life. Now we have finished question 5 on the passage. Let's move to the last question on the passage. In your exam, you are going to have 2 passages and 6 questions on each passage. Now, the planet and our solar system, question number 6. What is the importance of the asteroid belt? Asteroid belt is mentioned here in paragraph 3. So the keyword is the asteroid belt, and you have to remember quickly and find which paragraph can we find this keyword, the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt here, why is it important? What's its function? Here, the asteroid belt separates the inner planets from the outer planets. Here is the answer for question 6. Now we have reached the end of our class today. I hope you have enjoyed the class and thank you, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed and benefit from this video. See you in our next video. Thank you very much and goodbye.